Greetings everyone, this is Jyotishmoy Borua reporting from Uttaranchal University. Excitement is in the air right here on campus as minds from across the globe come together for a groundbreaking event, the first ever International Psychology Conference at Uttaranchal University. From leading scholars and experts to passionate practitioners and curious students, we are delving into the aspects of psychology in inclusive education. But what does this event mean to the people experiencing it firsthand? Let's find out what attendees, students and organizers have to say about being part of this exclusive event.
सर आरसीआई क्या है?
आरसीआई मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ सोशल जस्टिस एंड एम्पावरमेंट के अंतर्गत एक स्टैट्यूटरी एजेंसी है गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया की, जो विशेषतया रिहेबिलिटेशन के क्षेत्र में जो भी प्रोग्राम चलाए जाते हैं और जो प्रोफेशनल्स उन प्रोग्राम को पास आउट करके निकलते हैं उनको लाइसेंस देने का काम करती है। हम लोग आरसीआई रजिस्टर्ड क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजिस्ट हैं और जो ये कॉन्फ्रेंस हो रही है, इस कॉन्फ्रेंस को आरसीआई के द्वारा सीआरई, जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं कंटिन्यूइंग रिहेबिलिटेशन एजुकेशन, सीआरई का स्टेटस इसको अप्रूवल दिया गया है। सीआरई का स्टेटस ये होता है कि जो आरसीआई रजिस्टर्ड प्रोफेशनल्स होते हैं उनको 5 इयर्स के अंतर्गत 100 मार्क्स को ऑब्टेन करना होता है, जिसके तहत उनको सीआरई स्टेटस अप्रूव कॉन्फ्रेंसेस, सेमिनार्स, वर्कशॉप उसका हिस्सा होना होता है। उसमें उनको मीनिंगफुल कंट्रीब्यूशन देना होता है। उसमें एज ए रिसोर्स पर्सन, एज ए स्पीकर, एज ए डेलीगेट्स, एज ए पार्टिसिपेंट डिफरेंट मैनर में वो अपने कंट्रीब्यूशन को दे सकते हैं। उसी के तहत हम लोग एज ए क्लिनिकल साइकोलॉजिस्ट इस कॉन्फ्रेंस का हिस्सा हैं और इस सीआरई में अपना जो भी जिस तरह से योगदान हो सकता है उसको दे रहे हैं।
मैम, एज अ साइकोलॉजी प्रैक्टिशनर आप साइकोलॉजी को कैसे इनपुट लाती हैं एक सोशल सेटिंग में?
So psychology as a field has been stigmatized for a very long time, और अब it's time to destigmatize it, to make people realize that having psychological distress, having repetitive thoughts, having depressive thoughts or being anxious all the time is not something that you have to live with, that we can work through. So through that I am trying, as a clinical psychologist and as a rehab psychologist as well, I am trying to make the field of psychology more accessible, not just in the clinical setup but also make it more accessible for people to study. So we have people in bachelor's and masters who say that they are denied the course of psychology because of their some form of disabilities. So that is one of the aspects that I want to work on and make a change, that people realize that psychology is a field of the mind and the heart. It's not about your physical aspects but rather what you can do and how you interact with other people.
So as a person with a lot of struggles, what kept you motivated for your whole journey?
Okay. Being a disabled person, हम लोगों को ना सोसाइटी ही कुछ नहीं समझती है पहले तो, कि ये तो है ही ऐसी, ये क्या ही कर लेगी, ये इसको तो जाने दो, ये है मतलब ये तो पागल है, ये सब सोसाइटी हम लोगों को बनाती है, मतलब हम लोगों को बोलती है। और मतलब ये चीज़ मेरे को मोटिवेट करती है कि नहीं, बीइंग अ डिसेबल्ड पर्सन वी कैन डू एवरीथिंग, मतलब सब कुछ हम लोग कर सकते हैं, तो तुम लोग भी कर सकते हो।
So what do you think about this conference?
So far it's been excellent. We've just started, it's the first day, but the topic is inclusive education, which is of utmost importance, I think, around the world. So it's been really interesting to hear from a lot of really esteemed experts in this field. And I had a chance earlier to present my own work, which is more focused on the brain and neuroscience. So I really tried to just provide a little bit of insight in terms of how the brain operates with respect to learning and memory, sort of in the quote normal developing, as well as for some of these children who may have intellectual developmental disabilities, etc.
Sir, can you please share a few snippets from your journey and how you molded yourself into who you are today?
Yeah. I'm Gopinath. I'm exactly from Chennai. Yes, temporary stroke happened in my life and it changed my life. Then I lost my vision. Then I came to this field of disability where I want to groom myself. I started my career as a special educator where I get to know the field of psychology.
Okay, sir, since our topic for today, psychology in inclusive education, so what role do you think society as a whole plays in such areas?
See, inclusion in my point of view, inclusion is not a word. Inclusion is a is an act of an individual. They must think from their heart or think from their brain to accept the peoples with disability. Example, we are going to a masjid, we are going to a temple, you are going to a church, anywhere. Here is full of occupied with steps. The locomotor disability cannot go there. They need assistance. But as the people evolve, they must provide a ramp. This is like basic, technically we can say accommodation over the constructions, or we can give an accommodation over the infrastructure. But real thing, it must come from the heart of the people.
So sir, it's really important, yet it's really hard to bring inclusivity into society, because हम सबको पता है we all come from different backgrounds, we all come from different experiences. So can you share some tips to our viewers so they can also bring a little bit of inclusivity into the society?
बिल्कुल, जैसा कि आपने खुद ही कहा कि इंक्लूसिविटी की इसीलिए ज़रूरत है क्योंकि सभी अलग अलग बैकग्राउंड से आते हैं, है ना। चाहे वो कल्चरल बैकग्राउंड की बात करें, चाहे वो रिलीजन की बात करें, या फिर हम बात करें जैसे कि अभी ये कॉन्फ्रेंस चल रहा है डिसेबिलिटी एंड एम्पावरमेंट को लेकर के, उस इंक्लूजन को लेकर के, है ना। तो सबसे पहला तो टिप यही है कि हमें यूनिटी इन डाइवर्सिटी जो है ना, वो जो एक्चुअल में एग्जिस्ट करती है, ठीक है। यानी कि हम अलग अलग हो सकते हैं लेकिन फिर भी हम इंक्लूसिव सोसाइटी का गठन कर सकते हैं।
What advice would you like to give for the inclusive education in educational settings?
Yeah, I think we have started inclusion all over the country, and people are looking into it. The scene is looking very receptive. I would say the schools are taking charge. If I see the positive aspect, yes, definitely the initiatives have been taken.
रिसर्च वर्क के बारे में हमें थोड़ा ब्रीफली बताइए।
हमारा रिसर्च वर्क बेसिकली हमारे अर्ली लाइफ इवेंट्स कैसे इफेक्ट करते हैं हमारे लेटर लाइफ में इमोशंस को रेगुलेट करने में, इस पे है। जिसमें बेसिकली मैंने 118 सैम्पल्स को कलेक्ट किया और उन पे 2 टेस्ट लगाए। एक था कि उनका अर्ली लाइफ इवेंट कैसा रहा, और सेकेंड था कि वो कैसे अपने इमोशंस को रेगुलेट करते हैं।
Hello ma'am, welcome to this International Psychology Conference at Uttaranchal University. We would like to listen to some comments from you about this whole event.
Thank you for inviting me here at Uttaranchal University as a part of this international conference, being the co-convener of this particular international event that has been organized on 18th and 19th of April this year. This is a massive event because there are people from all over the globe participating and discussing and having a lot of revelations about the entire theme of inclusive education. And there have been more than 10 workshops, and there have been more than 100 research papers being presented by students around the theme. And there was a very interesting panel discussion. We are also about to have a round table to discuss various issues and concerns around inclusive education. So this is huge, great event that has been organized by the Department of SLA at Uttaranchal University.
Hello ma'am, would you like to share with us what kind of paper presentations were there since you are the chairperson?
There were 2 sessions that I have chaired, and in both the sessions, the papers that were presented were around some themes of psychology, and most of the researches were from the clinical psychology. So the papers were really very good in respect of the structure, in respect of the findings.
As the curtains fall on the first ever International Psychology Conference right here at Uttaranchal University, one thing is clear. This wasn't just an event, it was a celebration of ideas, introspection and innovation. From thought-provoking research to mind-blowing dialogues, this event left a lasting impact on everyone who attended. Until next time, this is Jyotishmoy Borua signing off.